Okay, can I please ask the coach to make a statement in Spanish, please, for the Spanish media? You can go ahead and speak in español.
Pues creo que hemos jugado muy buen partido durante todo el encuentro, pero especialmente hemos cambiado el ritmo en el segundo cuarto y en el tercer cuarto. En el tercer cuarto, sobre todo jugando defensa, hemos estado muy bien, controlando muy bien a sus tiradores, y esto nos ha hecho dominar el rebote y, bueno, en ataque jugar con bastante confianza, y es lo que nos ha hecho coger esa ventaja, aunque al final hemos tenido que sufrir, como era normal, para poder ganar el partido.
Muchísimas gracias. Dylan, I don't think you're going to make a statement in Spanish, so thank you.
I don't know some. Nah, my daughter knows more than me. She actually goes to school, and she speaks Spanish and English, so she knows more than me. So if she was here, she could say something. But no.
Okay, maybe next year.
Gracias.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. Congratulations again for the win. Thank you very much.
Able to get a hand on it. Now they saved it in bounds. Brasino in the open floor. He is the man that, well, he whips the pass down low. Ennis to save it in bounds. And then you mentioned it, Brasino seeing a little bit of
three, handle the ball, make the assist.
Warnsevich, wow, tickles the twine from behind the arc. Ennis quickly to the other end for Zaragoza. Are you kidding me? The putback jam from Harris.
Tempo. I wish I was right like that all the time, because this is living up to billing. Look at this.
Goodness me.
I understand each other's roles. That's a great example of it.
Brasino, bounce pass. Goodness gracious. Wiley. In Novgorod. Nizhny leading at 28-23. Robin Benzing gets it down low, twisting and turning, patience.
Well, this Nizhny team must hate the sight of Robin Benzing. Double digits in both of the wins. I think that's, Wiley, Harris, those type of strong athletic plays is that they have a real advantage in that area. Great pass.
Oh, great. We talked about the passing of Nizhny. Well, Harris steps behind the arc and puts it up and in. What a way to finish the first half. He's going to be surrounded. Well, it looks like that's what they're going to do. And that's what I would have done. And he puts it up and in. Wow. They had to know that was coming.
Foul because they're in the penalty, obviously, but.
Well, that probably worked into the strategy. Ennis doesn't wait around, comes out. Wow. He is in the flow.
Oh.
Back outside to San Miguel, his second three-pointer. And he's got 15 points. Shepard fouled while driving by Suleiman. Great control by Casey Shepard. It really was.
Let him have the two. If you give it up that much, Jeff, let him have the two.
And Zaragoza, once again, have shown they've got what it takes to win in the quarterfinals of the Basketball Champions League. And Nizhny Novgorod, after a terrific, utterly terrific campaign as hosts of the Final Eight.